Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Gabriella Bavone and today I'm gonna show you how I made notebooks. Just some cardboard, fabric, and some packing paper. So I'm using some old parcel paper. I had it laid around forever and now it's the time to use it. I really like to cut it, to rip it rather than cut it. It looks so much better when it's ripped. So I'm doing it this size, but you can cut it obviously whatever size you like, and you can use any paper that you have. So we have this. And these, the ones I made earlier. I'm gonna make sure they're all straight. Clean edges are on one side. That feels about right. I need 1 page for measure. Cute little box, but what do you do with it? I want the fold because then that will help. That will help folding pages. And there, and there. That's the proper way of doing it. That'll do. And now the other one. As it happens, this box is perfect, because if it was another piece of cardboard, I would have to score it to have the fold. And instead, it's here already. Oh, coffee. I'll drink water too in a bit. So that's one and that's the other, and then we'll be able to open it easier. This was an old cardigan, sadly polyester. I've inherited it, but it wasn't good, even from charity shop. It was just going in the bin, so it can have a new life. And this is not necessarily necessary, like just give a little softness. Yeah, let's do it double. And now new fabric. Cute little shabby chic. $21 to there. And 21 to there. Oh, there. Just missing seagull. That's where I will get the next one. Now yes, I did mark on the front, but that's alright because it's gonna go back, and I don't care. Now do I want that one? I want this one. Now this piece of fabric is not used, it's brand new, nice cotton. But my excuse is, so my New Year resolution last year was not to buy any more fabric, and I did. I need to use the one I have, and this is part of decluttering. And I didn't buy any more fabric. Although, as we say in England, I did buy wool. But that's another story. So which one is in front? That is in front. Because there's no seagull there. Yes. There. And that's it, now we wait. Now we wait for a bit. And now. So now we're gonna need 3 sets of holes, and let's do this properly. So that little rib is 2 centimeters, so we need to be 1 centimeter in, which is there. Bit of cloth, just. Do I have a thimble here? No, it's in the other room, so this will do. And I have some 1.5 macrame cord. And now let's do a fancy knot from back. Do that just to make sure it doesn't go through, and then thin paper, and then now from back. Now we'll go back in there and back in there. And this is gonna go under everything. And this is gonna go under that one. And now let's lose it a little bit so that it doesn't go flat on one side and not the other. Right, now we'll make a knot. And a little bow. I want to secure it. And there we are. And I really like the noise. Oh, I really like the noise. Now, you know, all these things that you see on YouTube and TikTok and things that you want to keep. Nice little poems and things. There. Then you can save space. And if you liked what you saw, please like, subscribe, share. And thank you for the people that subscribed already. That helps a lot.